Okay, so this is for loops. We're going to be doing a few things so that you can understand the homework. Now, a for loop is something that goes through a data structure or a data type. So what does that mean? Well, let's use a better example. If I have something called bag, inside my bag I have pen, I have pencil, and what else would I find in my bag? Well, in my bag I usually have a book too. Right? So now if I want to look through my bag and search through everything in my bag, I can use something like this. And this is for searching through every single thing, right? I can say for item in bag, print item. And this will print pen, pencil, book. Now it doesn't have to be item. I could have said X and then change this to X. It's fine. All we're doing is we're changing this into the smallest possible data structure it can be. And then we're assigning it to X, which is a variable, and then we're printing X. So if I add something else like watermelon, which you wouldn't find in my bag, but let's just say you can, watermelon, there'll also be watermelon. So there's other things you can do too, right? If I do this, if I say for range, or rather for number in range 1 to 10, let's do, actually, matter of fact, we'll do something like this. Sum of all numbers is equal to 0. We'll say sum of all numbers plus equals number. What this is doing is this is just saying this is the same as this. This is the same as saying this, right? But in a different way. I'll write that down here, just if you want to use it. It's plus equals. And that's how you can say, oh, this, if I use sum of all numbers is equal to plus equals number, it's just saying, yeah, we're just going to add number each time to this and keep iterating over it. So let's press play. Oh, we need to print sum of all numbers too. There we go. Now this will iterate over itself. So you can see the first is 1, then it's 2, then we add 3, then we add 4, then we add 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right, so you can see that all the numbers between 1 and 9 added together will be equal to 45. If I wanted it to be up to 10, well, I'd have to use 11, because 10 is where it stops just before. So yes, this is the sum of all numbers between 1 and 10. Super easy. Perfect, okay. Yeah, it's very, very easy, right? And if I wanted to, for example, just print the number, I can do that too, right? I can just say, oh, print num. And this is to print all the numbers. Yeah, super easy. Not difficult at all. The next thing is I can do this with names too. So I can say name equal to Kasim, which is my name. I hope you know that. And rather we'll put this letter in here. Letter, and we'll change this to name. Good. So now it's breaking down my name into the smallest possible pieces, which is a letter, and it's printing the letter off. So I'll say Kasim. Super easy. Very good. The next thing is to, oh, well, quest 3 you can do because I just showed you how to do the first quest. So it's just saying add the numbers between 1 to 5 to reveal the treasure. It'll be super easy. Use range 1 to 6 and then add all the numbers like we did in quest 1. Okay. Now, quest 4, let's take a look. The night gate will only open for even numbers. Ooh, this is interesting. How do we know if a number is even or not? Well, let's take a look. So we're going to say for number in range 1 to 21, right? Because remember, if we use 21, it stops at 20. If we use 20, it stops at 19, but we want to include 20. We're going to say if number modulo 2 is equal to 0, print number. There we go. This will do it. That's super easy, right? Look, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That's all the even numbers. If we want to do odd numbers, well, we'll do something like this. This will do all the odd numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or rather, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. There we go. As quick as I could do it. Okay, now the next one is quite easy too. We're going to have some fruits. Let's actually have something else. We'll do things in fridge. What's inside my fridge, you ask? Aha, I have lots of things. I have eggs. I have cheese. I have rice. I have meat. Yes, I have all these things in my fridge. Now I can say for things in fridge, and it helps when you give this a descriptive name too, right? Don't use X. You can use X, but make it so that it's easy for you to code. We'll say print f string inside my fridge. There is things. Good. I'm just going to print this off 4 times. There we go. Super easy. So with that, you should be able to do the homework quite easy. I don't think it's difficult. This is the first time you've seen for loops, but I think with this explanation, you should be able to do it quite easily. So have a wonderful time, and I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Goodbye.